Hello there fellow Roblox enthusiasts. In this video, we're diving into part 2 fixing the KRNL error failed to find the Roblox process. If you've been encountering this issue, don't fret. We've got two methods to help you get your KRNL injector up and running smoothly again. Now method 1 is reinstalling KRNL. Let's start with method 1. Step 1 is press the Windows plus R keys. First, press the Windows key and the R key simultaneously. Like so. Step 2, type in appdata and press enter. In the run dialog that appears, type in appdata and hit enter. This will take you to the roaming folder. Then, let's click on roaming. And step 3, delete the KRNL and re-download it. So I don't have KRNL installed right now, but if so, you will find it here. And you can just delete it. So like so, you can just right click this one, for example this folder, right click and then delete, and you can reinstall it. Now for method 2, which is running KRNL as admin, we can proceed to step 1, which is Windows plus R keys again. So let's click on that again, and now let's proceed to step 2, which is type in %appdata %. Forget what the answer is here, like so. And you will find it in the KRNL folder right here. You can just click on it and find the application, run KRNL as administrator. Right click it and run as administrator. And there you have it, Roblox aficionados. You've just learned two methods to tackle the KRNL error, failed to find Roblox process. These quick fixes should have you back in the game in no time. If the tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech solutions. Thanks for tuning in and happy injecting.